Hello everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something very quick and very easy. We're going to do a hand soap. Yep, that's it, just a really simple hand soap. You find it in your kitchen, you find it in your bathroom. It takes less than 30 seconds to make. That's what we're going to make today. Why are we making a hand soap? Why don't we just buy hand soap? We're making a hand soap because of course it's better for the environment to not buy single-use plastic, better for you to have less chemicals and less toxins around. Lastly, cost is just better if you make it yourself. It takes 30 seconds, it's an 1/8, 30th, a 50th of the cost to just make it yourself, and you really only need 3 simple ingredients. What are those ingredients? Castile soap, we're going to go for peppermint today. Essential oil, again, I'm going to go for peppermint. It's going to be very minty. I like mint, I like the smell of mint, I like that it's fresh. Lastly, water. That's actually all you're going to need to make your own do-it-yourself hand soap. Yep, pretty simple. Although I have been thinking about this and I did do a little bit of research, I actually found out that jojoba oil is a fantastic way to soften the soap. So I actually have a little bit of jojoba here, and the reason I brought that one in to make a 4th ingredient is because I want to try it with the jojoba oil to see if it does make it any softer. I've actually never made this before, so I'm very excited to share it with you as to how to make it and make it with you, and then we can kind of see the results after. Let's get making. Yep, 100% was not kidding. It is that easy to make, and it really is only a few ingredients. So let's get started. I'm going to just do 1/4 cup of Castile soap. Smells amazing. Alright, so that's 1/4 cup in here. Very nice. A few drops of essential oil. For the jojoba oil, I am just going to put lembic squish in, so I guess around a tablespoon. So you just put a little bit in there, just to soften up a little bit. And lastly, water. Shake. Whew, that was so quick and easy, right? I think it took like 20 seconds to make, which means there's no excuse for you to not give it a try and use it in your own home. Castile soap, some water and some essential oil. And if you feel like having some softer hands or putting a bit of oil in there, jojoba oil is a great choice. There's 4 simple ingredients for a do-it-yourself, chemical-free, natural hand soap you can have in your kitchen or in your bathroom anytime. And if you like these speedy ones more than the longer ones, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in my comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I just wanted to add, because I just went and used it, I really like the peppermint smell, and with the essential oil, because it's quite concentrate, and may have put too much in there. I think I put in like 15-20 drops, and now my hands feel, they smell great. They also feel a little bit cool, so it's actually quite nice. So if you want to do peppermint on peppermint, I think it's a great choice. Anyway, just wanted to share. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.